Imagine yourself making $1,000 plus with this easy, simple trick, where in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000 plus quickly with this simple, easy trick. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now, before I get into this method, I want to tell you about the free money giveaway. So, I'm still running this free money giveaway contest until the end of January. And it's 6 to 7 days away from the end of this month. So, we need to get to 6,000 subscribers, guys, so I can give away this money to 2 lucky subscribers. So, please, if you're new, click on that link in the description below or in the comments where it says, click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Click on there, follow those instructions, and you'll get a chance to win the free money. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because something is going to pop up on the screen, and I need you guys to type that in the comments below when it pops up on the screen. So you need to watch this video all the way to the very end. And also you need to watch this because it's going to be a couple of steps you're going to have to take to make this money with this method. So you need to watch it all the way through. I need you guys to watch it all the way through. I really would appreciate you if you watch the video all the way through. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to the site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at the site right now. I'll tell you the name of the site in a minute. On this site, you're going to be doing some transcribing. So you're going to be transcribing audio. So as it says down here, data annotation, your data annotated and validated to train the best quality models. So what they're doing, they're talking about companies that come here and they need things transcribed. So you're going to be the person that's going to transcribe. And once you come here, all you're going to do is go to jobs. And it's going to take you to this page. And as you can see here, get paid working from home. So the name of this site is Transcribe Me. So join Transcribe Me professional crowd and start working on projects and making money. So check this out, guys. Check out how much they pay. So we have the industry's best rates with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour, and top monthly earnings at $2,200, guys. Average monthly earnings are $250, but you could easily get to $2,200, guys. That's something else. So they got training, so you're going to get some training as soon as you sign up and sign up for one of these jobs. So they're going to give you the flexibility to work from home. So you're going to work from home and transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips, not long interviews. When one clip is complete, our system sends another to transcribe. There is no limit on how many can be processed consecutively. Wow, guys. So you're going to constantly get things to transcribe after you finish another one. Takes 2 to 4 minutes. Here comes another one. take another 2 to 4 minutes, and so on and so forth. This is the job, guys. This is the job, and you got the potential to make $2,000 in a month. Now, since you probably don't know anything about transcribing before, if you're new to this, and it might be a lot of work, but I'm going to show you a trick where you can use this software where it'll do it for you. You won't even have to do anything. It'll do it for you. So let me go ahead and go to that site right now and show you what software you're going to be using. All right, guys, I'm at the site right now. It's Odd EXT, Audex. I think that's how you pronounce it. But anyway, audio to text converter online. Use our advanced automatic transcription software to convert your audio files to text. Because that's what they want you to do on Transcribe Me. They want you to convert audio to text. Now, you're going to use this software and it's going to do it for you. Check this out. So fast transcription is done automatically with the use of AI. Convert speech to text online in minutes. Has a built-in editor. It's cost effective, but you can do this, use this thing for free. And has a speaker identification and supports all various audio file formats. So MP3, M4A, WAV, and others. Guys, this is the tool right here you're going to use to do the transcription and make this money. So guys, go ahead and go to this site here and use this when you sign up for a job at Transcribe Me and start making that money. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys. For the ones that made it all the way to this point, hopefully all you guys that watch my video made it to this point in the video, please look out for a number that's going to pop up on the screen. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. That's going to increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So type that down in the comments below. All right, guys. Thanks again for you guys' support and checking out my videos. Hope these videos are really helping you guys. Please drop a creative comment. I might give you a shout out in one of my videos. So keep dropping those creative comments because I'm just going to randomly pick a comment, or I might just pick a comment that I like and put it in my video. All right, guys, that's it. I'm done for this video. Thanks again. Let's get it. Road to 6,000. Here we come. And I'm out of here. One more thing. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day.